Welcome back to this video. If you use Gmail, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see two important features that has just been released by Google. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you want to do for every Android user, make sure you go to your Play Store. If you are using Android phone, so simply go to your Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store, and the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on search right here, and then make sure you type in Gmail. Then click on search, and it will go to take you right here. Simply hit on the Gmail right here. Then you'll be taken right here. If you have not updated your Gmail, consider to click on here to update the Gmail. So once you update the Gmail, you'll be able to see the new feature that was just released currently in this particular year. So what we want to do is to click on here, then we'll be able to see the features. So the first feature that was released here is that you can also chat with just your Gmail app, and at the same time you can make voice call or video calls with your Gmail app. Let's see how we simply get it done. So I'm going to simply go back to my Gmail right here. For the fact that I've already updated my Gmail, I will have access to the feature. Next thing we want to do is to simply click on open right here. Then Gmail is going to open up like so. Then first thing for, make sure you enable this particular icon, which is your video call icon. So once you enable the video call icon, you're going to click on here to start chat. So when you click on here, so right here, you can see you have new meeting right here, or you can simply join new meeting right here. So you can swipe this way, and then your meeting is very much secure and safe. So if you want to start a new meeting, click on new meeting right here. Then start an instant meeting or schedule a calendar meeting. Get a meeting link to share. So that is for meeting, and also you can also use this particular method to make call in your Gmail app, whether voice call or video call. So you can also use this section here to start chat with friend. So with this, you can make call, you can video call or audio call, and also you can chat friend right here, all in one place. New feature that was just released by Google. It's as simple as that. So I hope you really got fun for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also for more tutorial updates like this, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.